me Pratiksha
and Samiksha.
Today we're going to be making
some dark chocolate peanut butter.
For this, you're going to need half a cup of roasted peanuts, 1 teaspoon of butter,
1 tablespoon of dark chocolate, and 1 pinch of salt. Let's get ready to grind. So first, we're going to add in our peanuts. Then we're going to add our dark chocolate.
Now we're going to add our butter. Finally, we're going to add salt.
Now you want to grind this up for 1 minute. And after you take it out, if it's too thick, then you want to grind it for another minute. And an easier way to do it is using reverse pulse.
Yum, look at how this turned out.
After you've transferred your peanut butter into your cup, you can eat it with anything you'd like. But for a bonus, today we will be showing you how to make a very yummy peanut butter sandwich. The ingredients you will need for this sandwich are the peanut butter we just made and 2 slices of toasted bread.
We need to spread the peanut butter on the bread. Add how much ever you'd like. So once you're done spreading your peanut butter, if you want more sweetness, then you can add some more dark chocolate. But if you don't, then you don't need to. You want to cover your bread and you're done.
That's your sandwich. Cut it in half and enjoy.
Yum. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed.
Bye.
See you in the next video.